Have you ever wondered how your body knows what's happening around it? The answer lies in an amazing network of cells called the nervous system. It's like a super-fast communication system that sends messages throughout your body. The nervous system is responsible for everything you do, from breathing to solving complex math problems. It has three main jobs. First, it gathers information from the world around you. This is called sensory input. Imagine feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin or smelling freshly baked cookies. Next, the nervous system takes all that information and makes sense of it. This process is called integration. Finally, the nervous system tells your body how to react. This is called motor output. In the next section, we'll explore the different parts of the nervous system and how they work together. Think of your nervous system as a vast communication network. At the heart of this network lies the central nervous system, or CNS. The CNS is like the command center, consisting of the brain and spinal cord. The brain acts as the control center, processing information and making decisions. The spinal cord is like a superhighway, relaying messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Branching out from the CNS is the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. Think of the PNS as all the messengers that carry information to and from the command center. The PNS has two main divisions, the afferent division and the efferent division. The afferent division delivers sensory information from the body to the CNS. The efferent division carries motor commands from the CNS to the muscles and glands. The efferent division further divides into the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements like waving your hand or kicking a ball. The autonomic nervous system manages involuntary functions like your heartbeat and digestion. The nervous system is made up of billions of specialized cells that work together to transmit information throughout the body. These cells can be broadly categorized into two main types, neurons and neuroglia. Neurons are the fundamental units of the nervous system, responsible for receiving, processing, and transmitting information. Imagine them as the messengers that carry electrical and chemical signals across the network. Neuroglia, also known as glial cells, provide support and protection for neurons. Think of them as the support staff that ensures the smooth functioning of the messengers. Astrocytes are like the caretakers of neurons, providing them with nutrients and removing waste products. Microglia act as the immune system of the brain, protecting neurons from harmful invaders. Oligodendrocytes in the CNS and Schwann cells in the PNS wrap around axons, forming a protective layer called the myelin sheath. This myelin sheath acts like insulation on an electrical wire, speeding up the transmission of nerve impulses. Neurons come in various shapes and sizes, but they all share some common structural features. The soma, or cell body, contains the neuron's nucleus and other essential organelles. Branching out from the soma are dendrites, which are like tiny antennas that receive signals from other neurons. These signals travel down the neuron's axon, a long, slender fiber that transmits information away from the soma. Imagine the axon as a highway carrying information to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Axons are often covered in a myelin sheath, which helps speed up signal transmission. Neurons can be classified based on their structure and function. Structurally, neurons are grouped by the number of processes extending from their cell body. Multipolar neurons have multiple dendrites and one axon, making them the most common type of neuron in the brain and spinal cord. Bipolar neurons have one dendrite and one axon and are often found in sensory organs like the eyes and nose. Unipolar neurons have a single process that branches into an axon and dendrite and are primarily involved in transmitting sensory information from the body to the spinal cord. Functionally, neurons can be categorized as sensory neurons, motor neurons, or interneurons.